بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala wa jalla wala does not want us to we should connected to magic, we should be connected to jinnat, we should connected to shayateen, we should connected to for example stones or stars or moon. They are creation which Allah created for our service. They are not our destiny makers.
Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar.
Actually, stones or stars. Many people are after these superstitious things. Oh, how will my week go? How will my month go? And how will my marriage go? How will my etc. etc. So all these things actually. Yes, one thing which you can benefit, which Islam says, Quran says, is connecting through angel. Imagine you are after a jinn, you are after a human being who you want to actually want two bodyguards, you want friends, etc. Or some people are owning a dog, some people are owning a cat, some others they are happy, some people own. What about if an angel accompanies you all the time? Wherever you go, angel is at your service. What will be? That will bring luck, that is going to bring blessings, that is going to make your life blessed and happy and actually stronger. Like many people are after, we want actually blessing in life, we want our life fulfillment. And now if fulfillment is coming from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala through the malaika, and if you are connected with them, alhamdulillah, you are attracting, your personality become attractive.